Hi, my name is Tej and welcome back, and in today's video I want to share with you a detailed review of the Casper mattress. The Casper Original is an all-foam mattress that's medium firm. I would recommend it as a great option for back sleepers who want a balance of support and pressure relief, as well as combination sleepers who will be able to easily change positions throughout the night. So, the Casper Zone Support is a good option for back pain since it's specifically designed to keep your spine in neutral alignment. The Casper also sleeps cool, which anyone who tends to sleep hot will appreciate. I wouldn't recommend the Casper to strict side sleeper or those who only sleep on their stomach. I think side sleepers would be better on a softer mattress that will give them a sinkage when they need at the hips and the shoulders, and I would tell the stomach sleepers to look for something firmer so that their hips stay in alignment with their shoulders. So, how does Casper mattress feel? So like any feel factor, firmness is quite subjective and can change a lot depending on one's body size, shape and weight. Therefore, my read of this bed's firmness could very well differ from your own. After rolling around on the bed, I decided to give the Casper a 7 on 10 on the firmness scale. When compared to the industry standard of 6.5 for medium firmness, it's clear that this bed is slightly firm. The mattress got a 7 from me because I think it's got a firmly supportive feel. Though the foam materials are soft to the touch and provide some nice relief at the shoulder and hips, but the overall design works to lift the sleeper up and out of the structure. This creates more of an on top of the bed feel, which could work great for back and combo sleepers. The Casper mattress is built with 3 layers of foam, including a top layer of breathable A-rated foam, a middle section of zone support, and a sturdy bottom layer of high-density polyfoam or pocketed coils for the hybrid version. Its cover is made of a knit polyester brand that has a soft and a stretchy feel to it. When it comes to the comfort, things truly kick off with this top layer of A-rated foam. The material has a slow response to pressure, which allows the sleeper to sink in slightly for pressure relief at the shoulder and hips. Though this kind of contouring would usually produce some overheating, the small aerations along the material's surface helps to promote some cooling breathability throughout the structure. Up next, you land on a memory foam layer of zone support. Basically what this means is that the section has been divided into 3 different zones, all of which feature slightly different firmness. There is softer foam at the shoulder for a bit of pressure relief and firmer foam at the hips for a little lift. This creates a nice balanced vibe that works to position the spine in a healthy neutral alignment. When it comes to base, it is made of a thick layer of high density polyfoam which provides shape and stability to the structure. In the hybrid version of this bed, the base is made of a pocketed coil system, which brings a little extra bounce to the party. If you're a combo sleeper or someone who enjoys some lift, the hybrid could be a great fit for you. All Casper mattress comes with a 10-year warranty. Shipping and returns of all Casper mattresses are completely free, and Casper mattresses usually ship in 3 to 8 business days, and they arrive compressed because they are all bed-in-a-box mattresses. Also, Casper offers a 100-day trial period on all their mattresses, which is amazing, especially for somebody who is like skeptical about how they work. So to sum it up, I think this mattress could be a great fit for back sleepers. Not only is it easy to move around and change positions, but the bed does a great job of positioning the spine in a nice even line. The soft feel at the shoulders make Casper an awesome option for those trying to avoid shoulder pain. In general, I think that this mattress could be a good fit for folks who are struggling with back pain, as it strikes a satisfying balance between pressure relief and support. However, the bed may not be quite right for heavy people in need of a stronger support. To that point, the Casper mattress doesn't really feature too much body contouring as well. So that's all for my review, and I hope you guys really found it helpful. Don't forget to check the link in the description box to check out the website and the products. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and happy shopping.